Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by searching reputable libraries that explicitly offer non-copyright music. Use Creative Commons 0 CC by 4, 0, and dedicated copyright-free libraries. Check YouTube Audio Library, Free Music Archive, and public domain collections for tracks. Always download the original file at highest quality and keep metadata intact. Confirm the license text for each track before you proceed with any project use. Save a copy of the license and file in your project folder for future verification. Read the license carefully and determine if attribution is required for each track. CC0 requires no attribution, while CC by 4, 0 requires a clear credit line. Note whether commercial use and modifications are permitted under the license terms. For share-alike licenses, understand your obligation to license derivatives under identical terms. Keep a local copy of the license text and record the source URL and download date for compliance. This habit reduces risks of future disputes or takedown notices. When you add a track to a video or podcast, document source and license type immediately. Include the download date and original file name in your project notes for quick proof. If a takedown notice arrives, remove or replace the track promptly and investigate the claim. Only monetize content when the license explicitly allows commercial use and derivatives. When publishing, include required attribution in descriptions and credits exactly as the license specifies. Regularly audit your library to ensure continued compliance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.